In this section, we talk about secure deletion, device disposal, and data remanence. Data does not disappear simply because a file is deleted or a device is no longer in use. In digital systems, deletion is often logical, not physical. The data may be invisible to users, but it frequently remains recoverable, sometimes long after its original purpose has ended. This gap between perceived deletion and actual removal creates a quiet but significant source of cyber risk. This section explores data remanence, why device disposal is a security event, and why secure deletion is an essential and often neglected component of endpoint hygiene and cyber resilience. Why delete rarely means gone. When a file is deleted, most systems do not erase the underlying data immediately. Instead, they mark the space as available for reuse. Until that space is overwritten, the data often remains intact, recoverable with the right tools. From a security perspective, deletion without destruction is an illusion. Understanding data remanence. Data remanence refers to residual data that remains on storage media after attempts to erase or delete it. This can include files thought to be deleted, fragments of data, cached content, system logs, and temporary files. Remanence exists across hard drives, SSDs, mobile devices, and removable media. If storage leaves you control, so can your data. Why end-of-life devices are high risk? Devices reach end of life for many reasons, which could be replacement, failure, upgrade, resale, or disposal. At this point, attention shifts away from security. Yet, end of life devices often contain credentials, emails, documents, access tokens, or historical data. Attackers do not need live systems, they need residual access. The fallacy of factory reset. Factory resets are widely assumed to erase data. In reality, their effectiveness varies. Some resets remove user level data only. Others depend on encryption status. Some leave recoverable traces. A factory reset is a convenience feature, not a guaranteed secure wipe. Relying on it without understanding its limits creates risk. Secure deletion, what it actually means. Secure deletion ensures that data cannot be recovered. This may involve cryptographic erasure, overwriting storage, physical destruction, and vendor certified wiping. The appropriate method depends on the device or storage medium and sensitivity of the data. Security is about irreversibility. Encryption changes the deletion equation. Encryption simplifies secure deletion. If a device is fully encrypted, destroying the encryption keys can render the data unreadable, even if the bits remain on the disk. This makes full disk encryption one of the most powerful endpoint hygiene practices. Without encryption, deletion becomes far more complex. SSDs, wear leveling, and deletion complexity. Modern solid-state drives complicate secure deletion. They use wear leveling and internal controllers that abstract physical storage locations. This makes overwriting unreliable. Traditional deletion methods designed for hard drives may not work as expected on SSDs. Understanding the storage medium matters. Mobile devices and cloud synchronization. Mobile devices sync data automatically. Deleting data locally may not remove it from cloud backups, synced accounts, and linked devices. Secure deletion must account for the entire data lifecycle, not just one device. This includes cloud environments. Removable media. Small devices, big risk. USB drives, external disks, and memory cards are easily forgotten. They change hands, they lack tracking, and they rarely receive secure wiping. Because they are portable, they are frequently lost or resold without proper erasure. Small media often carry disproportionate risk. Device disposal as a formal process. Secure disposal should be treated as a process, not an afterthought. Effective programs include inventory tracking, defined wipe standards, verification steps, documentation, and certified destruction when necessary. Disposal is a security control, not housekeeping. Why secure deletion is a governance issue? Data deletion intersects with privacy obligations, regulatory requirements, and contractual commitments. Failing to delete data when required is as risky as failing to protect it while in use. Secure deletion is part of responsible data stewardship. The human element of disposal risk. People often reuse, donate, or resell devices informally. Good intentions like recycling, reuse, cost saving can expose data if deletion is incomplete. Clear guidance and easy processes reduce this risk. Security should support responsible behavior, not rely on perfect execution. Why this matters for cyber risk? Many breaches occur without hacking. They occur when data is recovered from discarded systems. These incidents feel preventable because they are. Understanding data remanence reframes device disposal as a moment of vulnerability and not closure. The key takeaways are data persists beyond its apparent life. Secure deletion and proper device disposal close the loop of data protection. Without them, endpoint hygiene is incomplete and cyber resilience remains fragile.